Now, let us find out how many zeros can a polynomial have. Well, it always depends on the degree. In the previous example also, we saw that when there was a linear polynomial x minus 7, linear polynomial means what? Degree is 1. So 1 degree means there can be only one value of x which will make the polynomial as 0. Yes. So I have written the statement here. The number of zeros of a polynomial of x are always either equal to or less than its degree. It means what? Either the polynomial will have same number of zeros as the degree. So अगर degree 1 है तो it may have 1 zero only, means one value of x which will make it 0. If degree is 2, it may have 2, or it may be less than that also. Okay, we'll understand in this example how it can be less also. Okay, so first I have taken the linear polynomials. We know that degree is 1 and first polynomial is x plus 5, similar to the previous one. So what value of x will make this polynomial as 0? Yes, very simple. When we put x as minus 5, then only this becomes 0. Because p of minus 5 means minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. And no other value can make it. So it has just 1 0. Just 1 0. Second example, 2x minus 3 is the polynomial. And okay, it may be a bit difficult to find out what value of x will make this as 0, but we can try and find out. Trial and error method we discussed in grade 6 and 7. Yes, same. So we can try, and I know that value of x as 3 by 2 will make this polynomial as 0. How? 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3. 2 and 2 cancels. 3 minus 3, and that equals to 0. So this polynomial also has just 1 0 and just 1 0. So it's a linear polynomial. It's also a linear polynomial, and they will have just 1 0 because degree is 1, not more than 1. Okay? Quadratic polynomial, degree is 2. What happens there? Let us find out. Here the first example is x square minus 4. Degree is 2. Okay? Now how many values can we give to x which will make it 0? Maybe you have got that. Yes, हम अगर x की वैल्यू को प्लस 2 पुट करेंगे या x की वैल्यू को माइनस 2 पुट करेंगे. Okay, so plus 2 put किया, so p of 2 will become 2 square means 0. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And अगर हम p of minus 2 पुट करेंगे तब, then also minus 2 square is 4. 4 minus 4 is again 0. So p of 2 and p of minus 2 both are equal to 0. So this polynomial has 2 zeros. There are two values of x which can make this polynomial equal to 0. Right? We have the second example here. X square plus 4x plus 4. Now again we may want to go back to trial and error method and find out which value of x will make this polynomial equal to 0. You may want to try. You may try to put the values minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, plus 2. Pause the video and try these 4 values and see if you get it or not. Tried? I'm sure you must have got this value which will make this polynomial as 0. That is minus 2. So yes, if I put the value of x as minus 2, I'll get minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4. So it will be 4 minus 8 plus 4, and that is equals to 0. Right? So this very polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4 has just 1 0, and it is equals to minus 2. So x equals to minus 2 is a 0, and it will not have any other 0. It will not have any other value of x which will make it 0. Now, this polynomial has 2 zeros. This has 1 0. Is there any polynomial of quadratic form, means degree 2, which will have no 0? Is it possible? Can you think of some example like that? I'll give an example. So I give an example at p of x as x square plus 4. Find out. This panic polynomial x square plus 4 will have no values of x, which will make it as 0. But this is only in the real numbers. When we take out any value of the real numbers, real number means from minus infinity to plus infinity, right? Which exists on this number line. We know a number line, it has 0 in the middle, this side positive values, this side all negative values. Yes. Out of these values, अगर हम कोई भी value put करेंगे x की यहाँ पे, तो ये 0 कभी नहीं बनेगा. It will never become 0. Fine. So that's it in this video. I hope you have understood at least two things. What is the meaning of 0 and how many zeros can be there for any polynomial. Right? Well, it depends on the degree. Easy. In the next frame, I will display an image that will relate the degree, the type of polynomial, its number of terms, its general form, and its number of zeros all together in just one frame. Just take a note of that. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where we'll discuss how do we find the zeros of a polynomial. What is the method? What is the process that we follow? Okay, so stay connected and keep watching Math Learning Studio.